Hey y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home. Welcome back to my kitchen, and today is the third week of Make It Yourself May, where we are bringing you some recipes that you can make at home yourself instead of going to the grocery store and buy them there. So today I'm bringing you a basic cookie mix, and you can make a lot of things out of this. You can make peanut butter cookies, you can make chocolate chip cookies, and you can make brownies. And today I'm going to make the peanut butter cookies and the chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the basic mix. I will have the playlist linked below in my description box, so make sure you go and watch all the videos on the playlist. There are some great ladies here, and they are making some great recipes. And I hope you'll go check out all their channels and like and subscribe. All right, in this bowl I have 8 cups of all-purpose flour, and in this bowl, I added most of the other ingredients. I've got 2.5 cups of white sugar here, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and I'll add that in. I have 2.5 cups of brown sugar, and I'm going to add that. And now I'm going to add 3 cups of shortening. So I've got the sticks, so each one of these sticks is equal to a cup. So much easier to measure that way than to measure it in a measuring cup. But now the hard part is getting this stuff all mixed together. So I'm going to mix this together. I've got my pastry cutter, and I'm going to cut all this in together. I probably will divide this into 2 bowls because it's a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and split it and get it started. All right, y'all, I had to divide that into 2 because that was a lot. But if you want to get you a dish tub like from the Dollar Tree that has a lot more room, you could mix this up in no time. But that's a lot of mix, so this is going to last you a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one to the side, and I'm going to work with this one, and I'm going to make you some chocolate chip cookies and some peanut butter cookies out of this mix. All right, now we're going to make the chocolate chip cookies. So I have 3 cups of the mix right here. It takes 1 egg. I'm using a duck egg, and that thing is hard to crack. A teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to eyeball it. 2 tablespoons of water. And 6 ounces of chocolate chips. I used up all my pecans, or I would put nuts in mine. I like nuts in my chocolate chips cookies. So then I'm just going to stir that around. All right, so I'm just going to take these. I'm going to take my teaspoon, so they'll all be about the same size, and just roll them into a ball. Okay, I've rolled them all out, and I've got them on my ungreased cookie sheet. They'll be in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 375. All right, we'll start on the peanut butter cookies. I've got 2.5 cups of the mix. I've got 1 egg. Got 1/4 of a cup of milk. And I've got 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. I'm just going to mix that up. All right, it's nice and mixed, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take spoonfuls and roll it into balls. Do your crisscross pattern on your cookie. Just mashed them with the fork, and I'm going to put those in the oven at 375 for 9 to 11 minutes. Y'all, these cookies were so good and so easy to make using this basic cookie mix. And I had a lot left over. You can always half the recipe, but just make sure if you make the whole thing, you use 2 bowls instead of